Hello everyone, today we're going to have Vidyo.ai tutorial and review, so please watch till the end to properly understand the video. And if you want to create an account on Vidyo.ai, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right here, as you can see, Vidyo.ai or now part as a rebranded quso.ai is a AI powered platform that automatically transform long form video, for example, webinars, podcasts, Zoom calls, etc., into short form clips. Suitable for social media, for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, etc. So it has now, as I said, rebranded or integrated as quso.ai. So if you go to the website and if you click refresh, you would see video.ai transformed to quso.ai right here. So this broader platform still offers the clipping and editing tools originally in video.ai, plus expanded features like social media scheduling, analytics, brand kit support. So as I said, it supports automatic subtitling, scene detection, auto resize for different aspect ratio, virality score, virality score, suggestion, and some template-based customization. So if you're editing short form content like TikTok or Instagram Reels, and also handle longer video recordings for your talking head, for example, editing project, this platform can be a good help. You can just upload your longer videos and let the AI pick the highlight moments of your videos and make a short clips from there. So if you want, you can just go to the quso.ai because this is the website for now, and click get started for free. After clicking that, you will be redirected to this window right here. It will prompt you to create a free account. So you can continue with Google, Facebook, etc., whatever you want. So I'm going to continue with Google. And after that, I'm going to choose an account that I can use for this platform right here. And after that, I will be redirected to this one. So I need to set up my workspace now. So what's your name? So you can just input your name right here and input which things right here best describes you. So it's either you are a coach, business owner, freelancer, employee, executive, creator, and influencer. It's up to you. So let's say I'm going to choose freelancer. I'm going to click next. So now it will ask you to paste your URL of your website, but this is only optional. But the important part is filling up this question right here. Which industry are you in? So are you in financial services, real estate, healthcare, software, IT? So they need to know this information so that when they give you some templates, they will base the templates based on the industry that you're in. So for example, I'm in the real estate industry, so I'm going to click next. So where did you hear about us? You can choose whatever you want in this option right here and click finish. So now you'll be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, there's a live training that you can listen with. So for example, let's say click remind later. So that will be redirected to the dashboard itself. So right here in the dashboard, this is where you can paste a YouTube link, or you can upload a file if you have a long form video file in your device. So you can upload your file right here. You can post your video on YouTube and copy the YouTube link right here. So it's better. So after pasting your link, you just need to click this one, get clips in one click. So the quso.ai or video.ai will analyze the video. It will analyze the topic. For example, in your podcast, it will analyze your whole podcast, and it will choose some certain moments in your podcast and create the clips from there. So as you can see, there's a bunch of features that you can use. You can use long to shorts. You can have AI captions, AI writer. You can edit a video manually, or you can edit an AI avatar video. They also do script to AI video. So from script to AI, you just need to add a script. For example, some words or some prompts. You can just put it, and the AI itself will convert it to the video. So if you scroll down, as you can see, there will be a tutorial right here, so you can watch this. So it's only 2 minutes, 3 minutes, something. You can watch this to know how to use quso.ai, and use its overall features right here. And that's it. So as you can see, you can also invite some workers or collaborators so that you can work. For example, for example, you're in a business and you are doing some group projects. You can invite your other members right here in your workspace. And if you want to upgrade your account, you can just click this one, and there will be a subscription with specific benefits that you can get. So if you want, you can purchase a subscription to boost your social media, or to utilize more features provided by quso.ai. So right here on the left side, you can see all this section right here, all project. This is where you can see all of the projects that you have made, and all the files that you have downloaded or uploaded right here in your workspace, all of your drafts, your saved drafts right here, brand kits, etc., post, planner, and AI analytics. So on AI analytics, it will shows you all of the details of your social platform. So for example, if you connected your video or quso.ai to your Facebook or Instagram, and you use the videos that you made right here on quso.ai, it will analyze the reports of that video, the impressions, the audience, and the engagement rate right here. So this platform is actually good for creating automation workflows, make some fast short form clicks. Yeah, this is one of the best platform that you can use. So for example, I'm going to find a YouTube podcast that I can do as a sample. So for example, we use this YouTube video right here. We paste it, and as you can see, the quso.ai will analyze the video. So now you just need to select the language for your auto subtitles and click generate clips right here. And that's it. So now the quso.ai or video.ai will now process your video and create some clips from there. So it's now start processing. So you just need to wait until it's 100% done, and you're good to go. So now as you can see, it's now ready. So I just need to click on this one, and right here, as you can see, this window will appear, and it actually generate 10 clips right here, best clips from the video I set. You can see I can click on each of them, and as you can see, all of them have already an AI subtitle, automatic subtitle right here, as you can see. So now I can edit them. I can still edit them if I click this one, edit right here, to change the styles of the subtitle. Right here, I can change it from this to this one. And yes, you can see the subtitle is now changed. The subtitle style is now changed. And if I want, I can change the effect color from this one to this one right here. So that's it. So it's pretty much easy. I can change the font style, the font of the text, the font size. I can make it I can change the alignment also of the text right here, etc., etc. So yeah, you can modify all of your videos right here. You can click on, so you can click them individually and edit them right here on the editing page. And that's it. So you can save them as a draft, or you can save them as a template, or you can now directly download them. So you can just click download right here, and there's a bunch of download options that you can use. You can remove the watermark if you want, but as you can see, it requires premium subscription. I hope this video helps you to how to use video.ai, and also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.